Good morning. As we mentioned before in our previous lesson, that Earth always changing. Some changes are fast, like earthquake, which is shaking on Earth's surface. As we mentioned before, that earthquake is shaking of Earth's surface. And volcano, which is a place where hot melted rocks comes out. Volcano is a place where hot melted rocks comes out. Okay, grade 2. Today we will learn about floods. So what the meaning of floods? Floods are a natural event in which a dry area or a dry piece of land suddenly gets submerged underwater. So what the meaning of flood? It's a natural event in which a dry area or a dry piece of land suddenly gets submerged underwater. It simply means too much rain or too much water everywhere, even around our houses. Flooding is very dangerous, as you know. The overflowing water carries along objects like houses, or cars, or bridges, and so on, or trees. Okay, so what's the meaning of floods? It's a natural event that happens when rivers, streams, or lakes overflow. So what the meaning of floods? It's a natural event happen when rivers, streams, or lake overflow. So what the meaning of floods? Happen when rivers, streams, or lake. It's a natural event that happen when rivers, lakes, or streams overflow. Okay, what about this picture? Is that a flood too? Of course not. It's a drought. So what the meaning of drought? Drought, it's a long period of time without rain that causes a problem in nature and for humans. So what the meaning of drought? Long period of time without rain. Long period of time without rain. So drought is a long time with very little rain. Drought is a long time with very little rain. Okay, let's learn about our last two words for today. They are weathering and erosion. Weathering and erosion. Weathering and erosion. I have a secret to tell you about. Weathering and erosion have secret codes. Weathering code is breaking down. Weathering code is breaking down. Weathering code is breaking down. Okay, what about erosion? Erosion code is moving. Code of erosion is moving. So what's the meaning of weathering? It happens when wind and water break down. Rocks happen when wind and water break down. Rocks happen when wind and water break down rocks. Okay, what about erosion? Happen when wind and water move rocks. Happen when wind and water move rocks. Okay, thank you, grade 2.